Welcome back, continuing the news. Fashion braces are increasingly becoming popular, which has given rise to a booming underground economy. But is it safe? We explore the issues in a two-part Primetime News special report.
There was a time braces were worn, among other things, to straighten crooked teeth. While that's still the case, add to the list of reasons making a fashion statement. That's where people like 19-year-old Mike comes in. He owns a fashion braces business, and it's booming as his clients include mainly professionals like policemen and even medical doctors.
Sometimes I even said one day a policeman would come to me and ask me for fashion braces. And right now I think I done 10 military force soldiers and everybody braces. Do braces for most people in the government. So I don't feel like it's like illegal to do fashion braces.
For orthodontists, professional studies may take up to 8 years to complete. For Mike, everything he knows about installing braces, he learned on YouTube.
No, I'm not professional trained, I'm YouTube trained. I've studied 2 years before I start doing it. I studied on the internet and then I'll go on YouTube for practice, and I'll practice on myself, then my friends.
So no orthodontic certification or qualification. Neither is he legally permitted to conduct dentistry. It's why Mike has had to use a small section of his veranda at home, his version of a dental cuspidor, a bucket and bottled water. There were no safety protocols like masks when we visited, no mouth mirrors, saliva ejector or inclining chairs. Customers don't see this as a big deal and seem to think it's safe.
It do wrong because it no damage. For where I do this, no hear no complaints it damage anybody teeth or nothing.
Plus, compared to medical braces, it's cheaper. The fees range from $12,000 to $15,000. Regular dental braces, $500,000 to $800,000.
Most time, there's a lot of party keeping or a lot of events and people want to go there. Not even if you're going at the event. Overall, if you want to look like, have that little look, they will come to me and just do the fashion braces.
We also visited another area in Kingston where fashion braces are installed, but the owners didn't want to speak with us. However, we spoke to one client.
My sister and my auntie did it, and I liked it, and I didn't smile. I didn't like smiling because I had twisted teeth and I didn't like smiling. And I liked the braces, and from I did the braces, I just started smiling because I like how it look in my mouth. My teeth not really buff and twist up, so I don't need to go to a professional. But the cosmetic braces are fashion, so I did for the fashion.
But as it turns out, there are implications. In part 2 of this Primetime News special report, orthodontist Dr. Jeffrey Meeks sounds the alarm.
Some of them are going to end up in real trouble because the dental council is about to act upon them, right? Because they are practicing dentistry illegally, all right? And they're actually breaking the law. The police can actually come and arrest them.